Hi, my name is Nathan, and today we're going to tour the YATP Young Adult Transition Program's building. This is the first time that YATP has a building to themselves, and we're located right next to Liberty Middle School. Welcome and enjoy the tour.
We learn how to cook to help us be independent when we live on our own. For example, we have made pigs in a blanket, mini pizzas, and enchiladas. We can fit more people out here for bigger lessons.
The classroom feels like a home to me. I'm comfortable here, and it is a good learning space. This will help me in the future.
This is a mock apartment. It's set up like a real-life apartment. This gives us a chance to work, clean, and manage our time and figure out what to do in our free time.
We even have this beautiful space for our staff. Ms. Crane, Mr. Suits, Ms. Perry, Ms. Peters, and Dr. Post use this space to work.
This room serves as our teacher supply room, and it's also the room where I make homemade paper products. For our in-house job site, we make banners, cards, and gift tags from recycled paper and natural food dyes. Anyone can order.
Thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoyed this tour. We love this place.